What can you expect from the General Academic Prerequisites or GAP? The General Academic Prerequisites tests the basic skills and abilities needed for successful university study. It is not a test of high school knowledge. It does not matter what high school you attended. Use only the information given in the task to solve the problems. The limited time available also plays an important role. The test consists of 2 sections, verbal and analytical, with a total of 54 questions. You have a time limit of 80 minutes to complete the test. The questions in the verbal section test your ability to work with language and to understand texts and the arguments presented. The analytical section tests your ability to work with sets of information, to navigate a set of conditions and draw conclusions from them, and to work with quantitative data. There is only one correct answer for each question. Don't worry if you can't solve all the questions. Not many people can. To achieve an average result, you need to answer about half of the questions correctly.